Well, no one knows if Mark is going to come, so I keep going lower than $600. There you go.
كيف تكون مشكلة